Yeah, it does. I love it.
Haunted.
It is. Don't.
Observation tower. Rules and guidelines.
Do not run, boys.
Rules and guidelines. Okay.
Listen to this. Watch this, Eric. That sounds creepy.
Oh man, this looks like the tower that them boys on How Ridiculous throw things off of.
You through? You're safe. It's got a cage around us. We're fine. We're almost to the first level and we're going to have a seat to sit in. Remember, just 3 more steps,
I'm getting
baby.
dizzy just from running around in the circle of these steps.
I'm safe.
Come here. You'll be all right, honey. But if you need to go down, all you got to do is say, Mama, we need to go down. Okay. Ember thinks we're going to the 2nd level, so I think I'm going to try to go with them.
I think I've gone as far as I can go.
I only went up there once, and I realized I was scared of heights, so I went back down. I ain't done this since then, except I went the first one.
My son's already at the top.
No doubt. He's completely caged in up there. Yeah, that's the problem. I can't breathe either. And we all, y'all. Now it's looking at y'all. Honey, you just got 6 more steps.
Get back.
6 more steps. 3 more steps. He went down, but Mama's down there filming and watching, so he's. Woo! Oh gosh! He went down.
All right, I got that down.
But I see him right here, Amy. He's under me, but Mama's down there. She's not right here, but she's at the car. She sees. Oh Lord!
Straight down. This is terrible. Oh my God.
Now let's pray I don't pee myself.
Well, I got that on camera.
Oh my goodness darn.
It's terrible. I never looked down and then yelled at.
I wish I'd have brought my binoculars.
It's beautiful up here. If you want to get past her, you can just go on. Hang on, Ember, and let Eric get past you. Because me and you's moving slow. I'm going to stay behind you because I like the pace you have set.
That is, Isaac's not wrong. That's a weird sensation.
Looking down while you're moving, yeah.
You're stepping, that's weird. That's really weird.
I feel like I'm trapped in an endless chamber of pain.
And it is all completely in your mind too, because if these steps were solid and you couldn't see the ground,
Wouldn't bother you at all.
you wouldn't even notice it in any other set of steps, in any other building.
I like the way you're doing it, Ember. I think that's the smartest way. All right, y'all. I conquered the Ellerslie Tower one more time. I ain't never going up there again. And Ember has not conquered the endless tower of pain. Headed toward the lake. Ellerslie Park. Here with all the children. I'm fixing to have to go swing. I might try to go down a sliding board. You just never know. Oh, well, I guess I'll just get on a regular swing then. Y'all just gonna leave me out. I was gonna swing that one, but I just swing this one. I'm scared. My grandson's trying to get me to get on the merry-go-round so he can make me sick.
Okay.
What? You can't do the zip line with it.
I wasn't planning to.
got it held up like that. So let's push it down that way so it'll see what you're seeing. Okay. Don't take any chances. I think Jackson's about to flip over.
And then Isaac can do the monkey bars.
I'm joking.
I just think we did. I'm giving them the dizzy part.
Are you gonna let them get dizzy in there? That means you're recording.
Okay, thank you. I'm making everyone dizzy. Whee! I am the master of destruction.
Well, Ember's got the camera. Hand me the camera, Ember.
Can I try?
In a minute. Right now, I need the camera. Ember, hand it here.
Why?
Because I'm gonna let them spin me, and I need the camera.
Oh no.
Here, trade with me. Don't.
Okay, but then right after I get the camera back. Yeah, Amber, do you want to get
Hold that. Hold on to that. Do you want to ride too?
Yeah, we're on. I thought all four of us were gonna get on. No. Jackson, I'll help push.
No, don't help push because you might hurt yourself. Because we're gonna.
I'm gonna be riding like this.
No, you're not. Get the seat.
Get in. We'll all get in. Ah! We're all getting in. That's what I recommend.
Give my phone back. I'm scared it'll go flying off. All right, there's a little mean heathen.
Counterclockwise.
There's a little mean heathen who's going to make his Meemaw sick.
Go fast!
Look at his minion on this side, and look at that minion on that side.
I'm the master of this. You're the one who recommended it, Meemaw.
I'm gonna puke.
Stop it!
I'm gonna puke toward Jackson. I'm joking. However, I won't. No, I can't because I can't do anything but sit here and beg for mercy. Not yet. No, ain't nobody getting off till the darn thing stops.
Bye-bye.
Look at the little heathens. Okay, all right, now.
Okay. It's a butterfly. Yeah. And yeah. This is a pretty view. Look at that. Fountain. Okay, let's go. I hope that was fine. Hey, that's fun.
All right, do that. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't think you
Hurt yourself. Ah!
It's my turn. It's my turn. Yes, it's my turn.
Is that where you want it?
Yep.
Ready?
First person view. Woo!
Oh, you done turned it back around. You know what you're doing, don't you? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. See, going down ain't that big a deal. It's going back up. It's going to be a problem. There's a bench over there. That's for old folks if you need it.
I think we're doing the longest walk, though.
What?
I think we're the longest walk.
That's why Mama stayed in the car. There's fire ant beds out here.
Alright, thank you for watching, everybody. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.